Hello students, my name is Professor Muhammad Asim and we are doing math. Students, in last lecture we did question number 1 from past papers of coordinate geometry. The question was came in May-June 2012, paper 2-1 and 2-3. Today we are going to do question number 2. Let's have a look question number 2. Solution to this question by accurate drawing will not be accepted. The points A 4 5, B negative 2 3, C 1 9 and D are the vertices of a trapezium in which BC is parallel to AD. And angle BCD is 90 degree. Find the area of the trapezium. So in order to find the area of trapezium, if we draw a rough trapezium, it will help you a lot. This is just a rough diagram, okay? So you can assign the name A, B, C, D. According to question, BC is parallel to AD. So this line is parallel to this line, and the angle between BCD is 90 degree. BCD. So this is 90 degree. Okay. Now coordinates of A are given 4 5. Coordinates of B is minus 2 3. Coordinate of C is 1 9. Coordinate of D is unknown. So assign the name of coordinate. D is X, Y or anyone else. Okay. Now in order to find the coordinates of D, we must find the two equations of a straight line. One is AD and other is CD. So first we have to find the gradient of BC. The gradient of BC is 3 minus 9 upon minus 2 minus 1 minus 6 minus 3 is 2. This should be the gradient of AD. Why? Because if two lines are parallel, then their gradient is same. Now find the equation of AD. We need the point A, that is 4 5, and we need a gradient of AD, which is 2. So we will use the formula y minus y1 is equals to m times x minus x1. So y minus 5 is equals to 2x minus 8, or y minus 2x is equals to negative 3. This is equation number 1. Okay student, now we need to find the equation of the line CD. According to question, you can see the word angle BCD is 90 degree. So if two lines are perpendicular, you can say gradient of BC multiplied by the gradient of CD is always equals to minus 1. So if two lines are perpendicular, then the product of their gradient is negative 1. Gradient of BC we have already find is equals to minus 1. Hence the gradient of CD is equals to negative 1 upon 2. What is the coordinate of C? 1 comma 9. Okay. So with coordinates C 1 comma 9, we can find the equation of the line CD. So y minus y1 9 is equals to gradient times x minus x1. So 2 multiplied by y is 2y. 2 9s is 18 minus x plus 1. So 2y plus x is equals to 19. This is equation number 2. Now solve these two equations, equation number 1 and equation number 2, to get the coordinates of D. What is equation number 1? Y minus 2x is equals to minus 3. This is equation number 1. Now I am going to apply the method of elimination. I want to multiply this whole equation by 2 to get y is same. So equation number 2 is 2y plus x is equals to 19. Equation number 1 is 2 into y is 2y, 2 to the 4x, 2 3 is the negative 6. Minus plus plus. Cancel. 4x plus 1x is 5x is equals to 25, and x is equals to 25 upon 5 is 5. Put this value of x is equals to 5 in any one of the equation to get the value of y. I am putting this in equation number 1. Y minus 2x is equals to minus 3. Y minus 2, 5 is equals to minus 3. Y minus 10 is equals to minus 3. And y is equals to 7. Hence the coordinates of D are 5, 7. Now you can easily find the area of trapezium. This is the main requirement of the question. So first write the coordinates of all the points. A is given in the question 4, 5. B is given in the question negative 2, 3. C is given in the question 1, 9. And D we just find 5, 7. Apply the formula. 1 upon 2 x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3 x4 y4 and x1 y1. This is the formula to find the area of any quadrilateral. Area of any quadrilateral. Okay. Now, what is the method? I already told you in last lecture, but see again. 4 multiplied by 3 minus 2 multiplied by 9, 1 multiplied by 7, 5 multiplied by 5. Open the bracket. 4 3 is 12, 2 9 is 18, 1 7 is 7, 5 5 is 25. Negative sign, and then open the bracket. Multiply 5 into minus 2, 3 into 1, 9 into 5, 7 into 4. 5 into 2 is minus 10, 3 1s are 3, 9 5s are 45, 7 4s are 28. 1 upon 2, 12 minus 18 plus 7 plus 25 is 26. Minus 10 plus 3 plus 45 plus 28 is 66. 1 upon 2, 26 minus 66 is minus 40, and area is a positive quantity, so this should be converted in positive 40. 2 into 20 is a 40. 20 square units is our final answer. So hope you understand entire question. This is question number 2. In next lecture we will do question number 3. This question has 8 marks, very important. So in next lecture we will do question number 3, 2 to 4, 4, 8. This question has 8 marks. So I request all of you kindly do subscribe my channel, and whenever you subscribe, don't forget to place the bell icon button so that when I upload my videos you will get the notification. Kindly share my videos, my lectures, as many as you can. Good luck for next lecture.